This man survived a heart attack, and since then he swears by his homemade heart-healthy power bowl, and I'll tell you what's in it and why it's so powerful.
And as you all can see, I'm 94 years old, so it must help.
He starts with cinnamon, turmeric, and black pepper. Turmeric fights inflammation, and the pepper makes it even stronger, protecting arteries from damage. For the base, he used rice milk. It is light, dairy-free, and gentle on digestion. Then come flax seeds and flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3s and fiber to lower cholesterol and keep blood vessels flexible. A little honey and coconut oil go in next, giving natural energy and helping balance cholesterol. Then comes the fruit. Blueberries, strawberries, pineapple, and banana, all packed with antioxidants and potassium that support heart health and regulate blood pressure. Finally, he tops it with sesame seeds and hemp seeds, adding protein, magnesium, and healthy fats that fuel heart recovery. This isn't just breakfast, it's a heart-healing powerhouse, the kind of meal that supports long-term recovery. And if you care about your health, stick around, because I've got more simple and powerful tips coming to help you live stronger every day.